Hey guys, guess what?
We got bubble wrap.
And it's the big bubble kind. See that? See it? Got bubble wrap. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
bubble wrap.
stuck in my eye.
Get it out.
I tried.
I have bubble wrap and you don't.
My dog's scared of it.
Where's Tiggy?
Tiggy.
Oh, that was
My
an
dad's
ugly
sleeping.
face. That was an ugly face.
Oh my god.
Dana.
We just got back from watching this hilarious movie.
Dinner for schmucks.
The guy that's in there is so retarded.
He irritated me.
He was so stupid. It
I got a
irritated
text
us.
message. I bet you that's Josh.
Josh, I'll go get it.
Okay. I'll pop bubble wrap.
Josh texts
Oh!
us at August 3rd, 7:51 p.m.
It's actually not 7:51. It's 9:51.
9:51. Well, you need to fix your time.
I can't. It's because I'm up here.
Oh.
Oh, it's John. It's not. It's John.
Oh.
Mariah from school. Jeez, John, you're so unthoughtful.
I like bubble wrap. Bubble wrap's fun. You know you could like make a beat with this thing. Now my dogs are barking.
He's barking at bubble wrap. Well, I think this.
Tiggy! Oh, it's the nurse.
It's a nurse. Not bubble wrap. But I think we should end this video.
I like bubble wrap.
I like bubble wrap too.
I like bubble wrap.
Do you like bubble wrap?
I like bubble wrap.
I like bubble wrap.
I do too.
I like the big bubble wrap.
I like the small or big.
I like big bubble wrap.
You know what? You should like pop this all night.
Pop it what?
Pop it all night.
I like to jump on it. That's my other piece of
What
bubble
if I
wrap.
bit it?
I don't know.
Do it. Do it. I'm gonna do it. No.
Ew, it tastes funny. It tastes funny.
So yeah. I'm like Kayla.
Yeah.
Kayla.
It's dedicated to Kayla.
You could do this instead of trying to bite us.
That one didn't pop. Kayla, you should buy yourself some bubble wrap instead of biting
It
us.
sounds so weird.
I blink every time I bite it.
You know how many of our friends are gonna be like, "What are you guys doing?"
That's the whole point. Hey guys, guess what? I'm going to Roz.
You just told that to the whole
I know.
world.
It's okay.
I wondered about that too.
That's my
Allie,
stepmommy.
Sherry. You're supposed to go Allie Allie.
Allie, Allie.
That's from Remember Me. It tastes so weird.
I know.
I wonder if it's helium in there. No, because that would be floating.
But yeah, it would float. But this is 4 minutes long, so we're just gonna end it.
This is concluding as bubble wrap is
Bubble wrap.
awesome.
And one last word. Oh, I think I'm out. I think I'm out of bubbles. I'm out of bubbles. No, I'm not. Adios, mis amigos.